Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Action Learning. If you are first time viewer of my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest update on your email. In today's demo, we are going to cover if there is a need by the Fusion administrator in any business to monitor running ESS job by the user login, or is there any schedule process or load interface ABDI jobs by the user. How they can monitor all the ESS job within their login. Let me log in as Fusion Action Learning to have the monitoring. In Fusion, what we have in Fusion, we have the privileges available. To have this, you have to create the custom role. Under that custom role, you can associate the privilege, and that custom role can be assigned to the system administrator. So to achieve it in Fusion, you have to go to the navigator. Under navigator, you have to click on tools. Under tools, you have to go to the security console. So what that privilege is for the ESS job monitoring. So the privilege name is ESS monitor role. So first we'll discuss about this privilege. So if you click on and go to add it, you can see ESS infra monitor role has read only privilege for monitoring. What it means, this privilege will have only read only. So administrator cannot add it, cannot delete, cannot do cancellation. Just read out and see the information whether it succeeded, it's goes into warning, or is there any error. Now we'll create the custom role. To create the custom role, you have to click on create role. You have to type Fusion ESS monitor role. Same way you can put it, Fusion custom ESS role. Now under the role category, you can put it under the, so let me put it default, or you can put it SCM abstract role. Now you can put it description if you want. You have to click on next, and then you have to add the ESS monitor role. So if you see that the role is added, now you have to click on next, and then you can add your user to whom you want this to be assigned. So you can search it over here, Fusion Action Learning. After adding the user, just click on next and save and close. So once you're done with the assignment or the creation of custom role, if you go to the navigator, under navigator, if you go to the schedule process, under the schedule process, if you refresh it, you can see all those ESS job in wait status. Even though I have not launched those ESS job, but someone is trying to using it, and performing the transaction, I can monitor all those ESS job from my login. This is how you can achieve this requirement in Oracle Fusion Cloud. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel, Fusion Next Gen Learning. Keep subscribing, keep watching, hit the bell icon.